Printed circuit board assembly process. The process starts with applying solder to the circuit board. The first step with the machine is to inspect the circuit board and make sure it's aligned. Once it's aligned, it then pushes it up and then applies solder all the way across the surface evenly and smoothly so that it hits all the pads. It's now removing the excess solder, leaving just the solder inside the stencil, which matches perfectly with each of the pads that the parts connect to the PCB. The board is then lowered, and then on the inside, you can see it doing a visual inspection to make sure that the solder was applied correctly. And if it wasn't, it will reject the board and it can be washed and repeated. The board comes out and is then ready for the next stage, which is the pick and place machine. We're using a manual process for low-volume prototype assembly, so we manually place the board inside there. This is a 2-up board, meaning there's 2 dual-scope mainboards on this. The pick and place machine is selecting its tools, and then it will go and collect the individual parts and then place them on the board in rapid succession. The head that's moving back and forth on this pick and place machine can hold up to 8 individual components at a time. Now the parts are coming from reels. This is a tape and reel for the most part board, and the head travels over, picks up to 8 parts at a time from the reels, and advances the reels so that the next part is ready for the next time. The board is nearly done, and it's going to be working on the last few components that are the larger components. Now the last 2 microcontrollers are going on, and that completes the pick and place process. The board is now ready to be The solder has to melt to adhere and make good both mechanical, electrical connections for all the parts. It travels through this big machine and comes out the other side after it's been cooked, and then the solder has cooled and all the junctions between the parts have been formed. Thank you very much to Allied Component Works and Custom Electronics for making this video possible. We're going to take a look back. That's the oven, the reflow oven, the pick and place machine, and the solder stencil machine at the very end down here. If you have interesting for PCBA, welcome, contact us. Sales12@hitechpcb.com. Thank you so much.